Do you think our planet is okay? Well, it's not. In fact, our planet is in danger of many risks. Some of the risks are climate change, bushfires, drought, nuclear power, pollution, and increase of population. I'm going to talk about the risks that pollution, droughts, and bushfires have on our planet. There are many types of pollution, so many in fact that they have been categorized. Air pollution, vehicle exhaust. Water pollution, dumping in creeks and rivers. Soil pollution, sewage spills. Noise pollution, traffic, airports, demolition. Radioactive pollution, nuclear active leakage. Thermal pollution, power plants. Light pollution, large cities. Pollution is a very serious thing as it can lead on from one thing to another. Example, when you drop a piece of rubbish and don't put it in the bin, it ends up going into all the river systems, then leading into oceans, making the water toxic so you can't drink it. But that's not all, it also makes it unlivable for many creatures. That then causes all the creatures to die, so people lose their jobs. Then we lose food, and in some cases, it can lead to death. See what not properly disposing of rubbish does? This is an area that puts our planet at risk. To help the risk go down, we could walk to places instead of using vehicles, minimizing air pollution. Put rubbish in the bin, creating less water and soil pollution. By doing these easy things, we can make our planet less at risk. Droughts are very dangerous as they can lead to many humans suffering from a shortage of food and many other things. A drought is when there is no rain for a long period of time and the ground dries out completely. This causes a chain of reactions. When there is no water, animals die off from thirst and dehydration. It also affects crops as farmers do not have enough water to water crops, but the soil also becomes bad for crops to grow. This leads to farmers plus shops losing money and people get a shortage of food, which in some cases could lead to death. Bushfires are very common and deadly risk to the planet. The most deadliest time for bushfires is in autumn and summer, and are also very common in bushland in big areas of dry grass. There are many ways a bushfire can start. Example, during a lightning storm, a cigarette butt, heat from the weather, wildfires, and from us humans. Us humans put a lot at risk when we purposely start a fire, as it can have a chain reaction. Example, someone lights a fire just for the fun of it. The fire spreads, taking out lots of land, and hits a town and destroys all the homes and shops and even kills several people, leaving many homeless, hungry, and upset. The bushfires also take out several supermarkets and crops, leaving no food resources for everyone. You might just think that bushfires stay on the ground, but that's not the case for Canberra. In 2003, Canberra was experiencing a huge lightning storm, which triggered fires to start. While the fire was burning, it formed a massive fire tornado with a diameter of 500 metres and wind speeds up to 250 kilometres per hour. Our world is at risk to many dangers, many of them being started by humans. This is why we need to be careful with our world, as it is very delicate.